The next topic we are starting is permutations and combinations. In this topic we have some notes. Let us discuss some notes. If a work can be performed in n different ways, another work can be performed in n different ways, then the two works together can be performed in mn different ways. 0 factorial is 1, n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. Let us say you have 5 factorial. 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 factorial, or it is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If you want to define 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, like that. Factorial is, you can expand the factorial like this. The number of permutations of n different things taken r at a time is npr. npr can be written as n factorial by n minus r factorial. The number of functions that is defined from set A into set B is n of b power n of a. The number of circular permutations of n different things. Suppose if you want to arrange certain things in the form of a circle, then you can do it in n minus 1 factorial ways. Similarly, if you want to arrange n different things in the form of a garland or beads, it can be done in half into n minus 1 factorial. This is because one half of the garland will be same as the other half of the garland, so that you can arrange it in half into n minus 1 factorial ways. We have the next set of definitions. If n things are different in which p are alike, q things are alike and r things are alike, they can be arranged in n factorial by p factorial into q factorial into r factorial ways. These are the number of permutations. Number of combinations of n different things taken r at a time is ncr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. npr is equal to r factorial into ncr. Now let us, based on this, we shall discuss the problems. Let us discuss the first problem. The first problem that you have is NP3. NP3 is equal to 1320. Find n. NP3 is 1320, you have to find n. So here n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 so on into n minus r plus 1 is equal to, this is NP3 is equal to 1320. NP3 can be written as 10 into 132. NP3 can be written as 10 into 12 into 11. NP3 can be written as 12 into 11 into 10. So here you should get n value is equal to 12, because 12p3 is 12 into 11 into 10. So n value must be equal to 12 here. The next problem. NP7 is equal to 42 NP5. NP7 can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 into n minus 5 into n minus 6. That is equal to 42 into NP5 can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4. So here till n minus 4 till here n minus 4 gets cancelled. So you have n minus 5 into n minus 6 into 42. N minus 5 into n minus 6 is equal to 7 into 6. N minus 5 is equal to 7. N minus 6 is equal to 6. n is equal to 7 plus 5, n is equal to 6 plus 6. So n value is 12. That's about n value. Next one. N plus 1 P5 is to NP6 is equal to 2:7. Find n. What is n plus 1 P5? N plus 1 P5 can be as n plus 1 n, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 by NP6 can be as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 into n minus 5. It is equal to 2 by 7. N into n minus 1 into n minus 3, this one into this one gets cancelled. Here you have n into n plus 1 by n minus 4 into n minus 5 is equal to 2 by 7. Cross multiply. 7n into n plus 1 is equal to 2 into n minus 4 into n minus 5. 7n square plus 7n, 2 into n square minus 5n minus 4n plus 20. 7n square plus 7n, 2n square minus 10n minus 8n plus 40. So here you have 7n square minus 2n square plus 7n this is minus 18n. If it comes here, it will become plus 18n minus 40 is equal to 0. 7n minus 2n, 5n square plus 18 plus 7, 25n minus 40 is equal to 0. You can take 5 common. So you have n square plus 5n minus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 8 you have to take 2 terms. 2 into 4 and you have to get 5. So we'll do factorization. N is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4 into a into c by 2 into a. N is equal to minus 5 plus or minus under root of 25 plus 32 by 2. N is equal to minus 5 plus or minus under root of 30, 50, 57 by 2. Let me check. Okay, this is nothing but 7 into n plus 1. This is n plus 1. So here you will get 7n plus 7. This is a small change here. 7n plus 7. So this is nothing but 7n plus 7 is equal to 2 into n square minus 9n plus 20. 7n plus 7 is equal to 2n square minus 18n plus 40. Take 7n that side and 7 here. You have 2n square minus 18n minus 7n plus 40 minus 7 is equal to 0. 2n square minus 25n plus 33 is equal to 0. N value is minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4 into a into c by 2 into a. N is equal to 25 plus or minus under root of 625 minus 33 into 8. 24. 8 3s are 24, 25, 26. 25, 26. That is 264 by 4. N is equal to 25 plus or minus under root of 625 minus 264. It's 1, 6, 361 by 4. 361 is nothing but 19 into 19. 9 9s are 81. 9 1s are 9 plus 1 17. 9 1 1 6 361. So this is nothing but n is equal to 25 plus or minus 19 by 4. N is equal to 25 plus 19 by 4 comma 25 minus 19 by 4. N is equal to 35 plus 9 is 44 by 4. N is equal to 6 by 4. N is equal to 11 or n is equal to 3 by 2. N cannot be fractions, therefore n value is 11. That's about this problem. Shall discuss the next problem. Fourth one, if 12p5 into 12p4 is equal to 13pr, find r. n minus 1 pr, r into n minus 1 into pr minus 1 is equal to npr. So this is like 13 minus 1 p5 plus 5 into 13 minus 1 p5 minus 1, that is equal to 13p5. Here r is equal to 5. You have to compare this with this. We are comparing this with this. So we got r value as 5. Let us do the next problem. I'll read out the question. A man has 4 sons and there are 5 schools within reach. Number of sons are 4. Number of schools are 5. In how many ways can he admit his sons in school so that no 2 of them will be in the same school? The number of ways that he can admit in 4 different schools is 5p4, that is equal to 5 factorial by 5 minus 4 factorial, that is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, that is 20 into 6. This is 120 ways. You can arrange, you can join them in how many ways? In 120 ways. If there are 25 railway stations on a single railway line, how many types of single ticket class must be printed so as to enable the passenger to travel from one station to another station? I'll repeat the question. If there are 25 railway stations on a single railway line, in a single railway line there are 25 stations. How many types of single second class tickets must be printed so as to enable a passenger to travel from one station to another station? So that can be done in 25p2 ways. The number of, the second answer, the number of railway stations is equal to 25. The number of single second class tickets that can be printed is equal to 25p2 ways, that is 25 factorial by 25 minus 2 factorial is 25 factorial by 23 factorial, which is 25 into 24 into 23 by 23 factorial. 23 factorial, 23 factorial cancel. You have 25 into 24, which is 600. In 600 ways you can do it. Let us discuss the next problem. In a class, there are 30 students. On a New Year day, every student posts a greeting card to all her classmates. Find the total number of greeting cards posted by them. So every student will post there are 30 students, and every student will post a greeting card to all the students. So that can be done in 30p2 ways. 30p2 is 30 into 29, which is 870 ways. Can be done in 870 ways. Okay. Let us discuss the next set of problems. Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8 when repetition is allowed. The number of ways when repetition is not allowed, it is 6p4 ways. You can form 4-digit number from 6-digit numbers in 6p4 ways. The number of ways of forming a 4-digit number from 6-digit numbers is 6 power 4 ways. That is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. That is 36 into 36, which is nothing but 6 6 are 36, 3 are 18, 21. 3 6 are 18, 3 3 are 9 plus 1 10, 6 9 2. That is 1296 ways you can arrange. So that's about today's class, children. Here the next problem for today's class. Here you are given two sets, set A and set B. Set A contains 5 elements, set B contains 4 elements. We have to find the number of functions from set A into set B, that is n of B power n of A. Here set B has 4 elements, set A has 5 elements. So total number of ways possible is 4 power 5 ways. 4 power 5 is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. That is 16 into 64, which is 1024 ways. Next, here in the next problem you have to find the number of telephone numbers that can be formed from 6 numbers of 4 digits when repetition is allowed. First of all, we are finding the number of 4-digit number when at least one number is repeated. That means you should have repetitions everywhere. So here the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed from 6-digit numbers when repetitions are allowed are 6 power 4 ways. When repetitions are not allowed, it is 6p4 ways. So totally you can, when at least one number is repeated, means you have to do 6 power 4 minus 6p4. 6 power 4 minus 6p4 will give you the 4-digit telephone numbers in which at least one number is repeated. That's about this problem. So that's all for today's class, children. We shall continue in the next class.